Today we're going to be installing some all-weather floor mats in our Tesla Model Y. We have the front mats, rear mats, frunk, and trunk mats. So I have the box here. This is from 3W Liners. They make mats for all sorts of cars, and they have some very rugged all-weather mats for the new Model Y Juniper. So I'm just going to go ahead and take them out of the box here. This is my first time opening this up. So they have everything packaged nicely. The box is the full size of the mat, so nothing's folded up, probably except for the trunk and the rear mats. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the front mat first. Here it is, you can see it. Very nice rugged design, and they still have a hole here for the drain hole cover. Go over to the frunk. You can see with the frunk here, I already have some scratches. I keep some tools in here, things like that. So I wanted to really protect the frunk, so this is great. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in right there. You can see it's a perfect fit. And now I can put some of my tools here without, worrying about the bottom of the car being scratched. So I'm just gonna go ahead, open the door here. Just gonna pull off our original mat here. It's actually very hard to get off. We're not gonna need these anymore. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. Put this in like so, and you can see just how easy it all fits in there. So let's go over to the passenger side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the passenger carpet here. What's nice about these two is you can wash them with water. You can just kind of take a hose, take them out of the car, use a hose of water, wash them off. You can wash them at any car wash, and they're super, super easy to clean. So again, here's the look. It looks super nice. You have the Model Y logo there, the 3W logo. You have the under seat mat as well. So I'll just push the seat back. All right, so now I have the three pieces for the back of the rear seats. We're gonna go ahead and put that in. So I'm gonna use the handy feature with the new Model Y Juniper to put the seats down from the button. All right, so I'm gonna put on the left side first. Just gonna go ahead and lay this down like so. Right over here, and just match it to the edge of the rear seat, and you can see it's molded to perfectly fit around with the full design of the seat. So you have those little curvatures there, so that's good. Gonna do this middle one now. All right, so they did give us mats for both the sub trunks and the rear trunk piece, so we have the two pieces here. I'm just gonna take this out for now. I already took out the other piece. We can see if you're storing stuff, you're gonna get some dirt. I have some sand in here from the beach, but they did give us this very nice sub-trunk mat as well for the first layer of the sub-trunk. So that goes there just like that. It looks amazing, very rugged, very premium look. And you can see I keep a lot of my tools. I keep my car jack down here, so there's a lot of depressions in the carpet. I was trying to keep this nice and neat, but we do have the sub-trunk mat here from 3W Liners. So gonna put that in as well. That's gonna keep the sub-trunk protected too from all my tools and other stuff that I store down here. So again, very nice fit. Now I'm gonna put the top portion of the sub-trunk back on. So now I can put my car jack back down here, not worrying about the car carpet getting scratched. I can put my tools. As you guys know, I do suspension installs and accessory installs. So I just want to show you all how easy it is to clean these 3W Liners all-weather mats. You can see the back of the seats are perfectly clean. I didn't put anything on there. Here I did put down my floor jack that has extremely, extremely dirty wheels. Thankfully I didn't put it on top of the carpet mat, so that would have really been a mess. I'm glad I have these 3W Liners all-weather mats, and I'm just going to use some interior cleaner here. And this is just an interior cleaner for plastic and leather. So this is a rubber floor mat, right? But let's see what we can do. Just something basic. Just spray it on here. We can already see without me even scrubbing, the dirt is coming right off. And I'm just gonna take a microfiber cloth. And wow, just like that, it cleaned it all up. Let's wipe these too. It gets all that dirt right off. Now you could also just rinse these with a hose. If you go to a car wash, they'll clean them there for you also. Unfortunately, I live in an apartment building, so I don't have access to a hose. But just like that, this looks amazing. Wipe all this stuff off. And wow, look at the difference before and after.